Hello everyone. So this is the video to make Google form for demo mock test attendance and mock test question paper. So first you have to click on blank. Then most important thing, first you have to go to setting. In setting, collect email addresses. This is the most important, collect email addresses and don't give any response. So responses should be off. After that, restrict the user in Sakek, only Shananker College student, and limit one response. No need to click other options. So in general, collect email addresses, restrict to user Sakek user, and limit one response. After that, in presentation, you have to write down here confirmation message. For example, thanks for attendance. So for attendance Google form, no need to go to quiz, only general and presentation is required, and then save. Then here you have to write down subject name. For example, mock test for subject. Then here you can write the details for your subject. Mock test attendance for subject, and here you can write the details for that. For example, you can write like this: mock test for internal assessment KT exam, and subject name of subject, marks 20, time from 2, date of examination, year and semester, FE SEM 1 or SEM 2, and scheme revise C, CBGS or CBCS. So this is the header of subject, but we have to add college header also. So go to customize theme, then header, choose header, upload, click on browse, and you can take it from your computer or desktop. So I had stored it on my desktop. So header Sakek. Then browse, I have to select desktop, header Sakek JPG file, done. So header will appear at the top of your form. So this is college header, this is question paper header. Then here you have to write down your queries or questions for attendance. So for example, first is name of student. Name of student should be short answer, and it is compulsory. After that, next, contact number. Contact number is also short answer, and it is compulsory. After that, FE division. So FE division, here you have to select Dropbox. In Dropbox, first is FE1. We don't have FE2, so FE3, FE4, FE5, FE6, then FE7, FE8 and FE9. So only these are the points for attendance form. Here you can save it, mock test attendance for subject, or you can give subject name. This is the file name or form name. Then you have to click on send. Then you have to click on link. In link you have to short the URL. You have to copy this link, and you have to post this link in Google Classroom, so that student will click on this link and they will open the form. The form, it looks like this. This is the college header, this is the subject header. Then here student has to write down his name, his contact number and his division, and submit. So his attendance form is over. So this is the attendance form generation. Now we have to make question paper format. For question paper format, we have divided this question paper into 4 sections. Your first section is same as attendance form. Your second section is question number 1, which is 5 questions of 2 marks. Third section is question number 2, 10 questions for 1 mark. And fourth, it is the instruction to student that check whether you have cleared, you have submitted all the questions. So our first is same as attendance form, therefore we will make the copy of this. So for that, click here, then make a copy, and you can write down mock test question paper of your subject. So this is the file name. Same form will be duplicated with same setting, but this is your question paper, so you have to change the setting for quiz. So your first step is click on setting. General points are same. In presentation, confirmation message, it is not for attendance, it is for question paper, so you can write thanks for attending exam. Now in quiz, make this as a quiz. So this is quiz. In this, release the grade later after manual review. Don't select immediate, later after manual review. Respondent can see only points value. Point value indicates how many marks are for which questions. So this is the quiz setting. So you have to add this setting in question paper. It is not in attendance. And then you have to click on save. So our first part is name of student. Then second part is contact number. Then division. Now I have to add second section. In second section, this is the button add section. So I will click on add section. In add section, you can write question number 1, attempt all 5 questions. Into bracket, you can write 5 questions of 2 marks equal to 10 marks. And here you can write down the instructions. Instructions should be like this. You can write the instruction in description. All questions are multiple choice questions. Select the correct answer from the choices. All questions are compulsory. Now you have to write down first question. The question will start from Roman I. So first question. This first question has 4 options. Option 1, option 2, option 3, option 4. Then click on answer key, give grades, points, 2 marks, and select proper answer. Select proper answer and then click on done. And it is compulsory, so it is required. Similarly, you have to make second question. Similarly, do copy. Third question. Similarly, do copy. Fourth question. Similarly, do copy. Fifth question. So your first question is for 5 questions, sub questions. Now again we have to add second section. So third section. So here I have to add section, and here I will write question number 2, attempt all 10 questions. So 10 multiplied by 1 marks, so 10 marks. The instruction is same as above, so you can select this, and here you can write the instruction. Again same, you have to add question. So this is my first question. There are 4 options, and each question has 1 mark. So 1 mark, you have to select proper question. Done. Then do copy. So this is for second. It is required, compulsory. All questions are compulsory. Then copy. You can write third questions. Copy. Fourth question. Copy. Fifth question. Copy. Sixth question. Like this you have to do copy paste. Paste is automatically done. So 7th, 8, 9 and 10. So my all questions template is ready. Then fourth section. In fourth section you have to write down only instructions like this. Check all your questions before submission. Once you click on submit, you cannot edit it. So these are my question paper template. Now we have to add questions. So for example, first question, I will click on first question and here I will add my question. For example, how many days in a week? So my options will be 6, 7, then 8 or 9. Already I had done everything, only I have to select proper answer. So click on answer key and select your proper answer. That proper answer is 7 and click on done. So my first question is set for 2 marks. Now second question, similarly I have to set second question. How many weeks are in year? 50, 51, 52, 53. Then everything is done, only you have to select proper answer. Click on answer key and select proper answer. Click on done. Similarly you have to make your all question papers. In your question, if there is any image, then you can click here, browse, and you can take the image from your place. For example, if I want to add image, I can put image here. Okay, so you can add image from here in question paper. And if you want to add image, I will remove it from question paper. Or if you want to add it in answer, you can add from here. From here you can add the images in answers. If you want to add the image into question paper, you can add it here. So this is the small try to explain how to make attendance sheet and question paper. So thank you for watching this. Thank you very much.